My name's Christian Muck, and this is my manufacturing story. It's an incredible opportunity to be able to look at things and just off the top of my head know what things are when other people don't even know where to begin. It's taught me to work out problems on my own and not have to rely on everybody else, because I can understand things better if I've done it myself instead of watching everybody else do it. I'm a very hands-on learner, so if I can get my hands on it and learn it, I'll know it forever. I was told multiple times that I would hope that it would be a career that I would build, and at first I was a little skeptical of that because didn't really know what I was going to do, but as time's gone on, I would really enjoy to make this into my career and working into something that I can make a life for myself and a family, and making something that I can do and enjoy it, because I truly enjoy it. It's way cooler than I could have ever imagined. It's more opportunities, more pain for one thing, and it's something I truly enjoy every time I come. My dream, in short, to own a home and have a family and a job that I enjoy. Before, I didn't really know what I was going to do, but now I know as long as I have a means to earn and bring an income in and doing something that I enjoy at the same time, it's something that I can truly make a living out of in a life. And this program gives me the doorway to do that.